Good day, guys. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be learning how to download and install Adobe Premiere Pro on your system. So go ahead to your Chrome mobile browser and search for Adobe Premiere Pro. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on Adobe Premiere Pro, and the first website you should click is on the first website you see, or you can leave down because it's a sponsored post and go to the Adobe official page. So I'm going to go into the Adobe official page to download the Adobe Premiere Pro. So click on that, then you're going to see this. So you can see the buy now, I can see the free trial. So I'll be clicking on the free trial because I want to get Adobe Premiere Pro for free, which Adobe will be giving me for free 7 days trial. So you're going to scroll down to locate this, and you can see the billing aspect there. Just tick this box and click on continue. So yeah, Adobe will not charge you for 7 days until the free trial period is over, and after these 7 days they can start charging you. So you can go ahead to remove your bank and everything. So type in your Gmail to continue the process. So you can see the due now, as you'll be paying $0.00 for now till the free trial period is over. So I'm going to type in my Gmail, click on continue, then it's going to sign me, then ask me for my password. So wait for this to load, then I'm going to type in my password here into this box, and I'm going to click on continue. So trying to verify this, then click on continue. So Adobe is going to take a time to load everything for me. So like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Let's continue. So go ahead to start this. Then they're going to ask you for your card, so you can go ahead to slot in your card details, and once you are done, you can click on start free trial. So after a period of 7 days, you can go ahead to remove your card from this Adobe Premiere Pro app, as you'll be directed to the Adobe Creative Cloud to download the app once you are done typing everything. So this is just how to download Adobe Premiere Pro for free for a particular period of days. I'll be dropping a new video soon on how to get the product from me. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.